In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your online course on Gumroad, even if you're a beginner. This process may seem daunting at first, but you'll find it quite manageable as we break it down together step by step. First, let's get started by logging into your Gumroad account. Once you're in, you'll land on Gumroad's dashboard, your control center for managing all your products and sales. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this space. To begin setting up your course, glance over to the left side of your screen and find the Products section. Clicking here will take you to a page that lists any products you've already offered. If this is your first time, it's more than likely just a welcoming blank slate. Now, let's move on to creating your course. You'll need to select New Product to get started. As soon as you choose this option, a window will pop up asking you to specify the type of product you're creating. For today, we're focusing on courses, so you'll want to select Course or Tutorial. This categorization ensures that your offering is tailored to learners who are searching specifically for educational content. Then, you'll need to give your course a name. This is more important than it sounds, as a catchy yet descriptive name can captivate potential buyers right from the start. Consider what would catch your eye if you were a student looking for a course like yours. Next, decide on the price. Select the currency you prefer and set the amount you wish to charge. It's vital to think about the value you're offering and align your pricing with what your target audience typically spends on similar courses. With those basics laid out, let's get into customizing your course, which is where you make it both appealing and informative. First, you'll write a detailed description. This is your platform to tell potential students exactly what they will learn and why it's worth their time and money. Make sure to highlight benefits and learning outcomes to attract interest. Moving on to visuals, click Upload Images or Videos to add a cover that truly reflects the essence of your course. Additionally, you will add a thumbnail. Thumbnails serve as the initial visual hook for your buyers, so ensure they're high quality and attractive. A compelling summary is next. Here you'll create a brief yet enticing overview that pushes visitors to hit that purchase button. And if there are additional specifics like course duration or prerequisites, use the Add Detail option to input this information. Once all fields are complete, click Save and Continue. At this stage, you can import your course content or type it directly into Gumroad. Before finalizing, review everything to make sure it aligns with your initial vision. Once confident, go ahead and click Publish and Continue. Congratulations! Your course is now live on Gumroad, ready for learners around the world to discover it. Remember, success comes from a winning combination of valuable content, smart pricing, and engaging visuals. With these steps, you're well on your way to effectively selling your online course.